Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 18 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating an Indian dish which is Palak Paneer. For reference I used recipe from Kabita's kitchen and I've added the link for her video in the description box below. Do check out her video as it's a very simple and a tasty recipe. Even though the video is in Hindi, it does have English subtitles. If this is the first of one of my Inktober videos you have come across, then I do have 17 other videos for you. I've added the link for the playlist in the description box. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
By the road with an ache in my head, in the wrong side of town, left you sleeping alone in your bed. I guess I did let you down, and I wake up staying and out too late, trying to start over new. What I wanted to be never came to me. I've lost my way to you. I remember the words that you said when I pledged you my time. You would never get out of my head. You would always be mine. And I wake up, stay, and out too late, trying to start over new. What I wanted to be never came to me. I've lost my way to you. By the road with an ache in my head, in the wrong side of town, left you sleeping alone in your bed. Guess I did let you down.